Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today, we're checking out this pizza oven from Newair. Now this is an indoor-outdoor pizza oven, 12-inch in size, 12-inch wide, 12-inch deep in regards to how big your stone is inside of here. It's got this little front cover right here. Whenever you get this is in two pieces. You have this piece and this piece. You just screw them together. Really easy. And then you got your pizza paddle right here. So we can load our pizza in here, and then whenever you first plug this in, you're gonna let it preheat for 20 minutes. Whenever you initially get this, that allows everything to burn off inside that may accumulate during shipping. And then it has these legs down here, and these do fold in. I can't fold them in right now because this bad boy's hot. 900 degrees is what it gets up to. But these do fold in, and it lays pretty flat. Makes it easy for storage. Also, when it comes to storage, they do include this cover right here. This is for indoor-outdoor use. However, whenever you are storing it, they do say to store it indoors. But then you can place this on there to keep, dust or anything like that from getting inside of there. So we've got us a pizza prepared right here. Supposed to fit in there. 12 inches is what this one is. Actually, just bought this one from the store, but it's one of those like deli fresh ones. So should be good for our first experiment right here. Look at that. Slides in there just perfectly and starts to sizzle. Woo, look at that. Nice. Perfectly fits on that stone. So it is exactly 12 inches. I'll go ahead and give you guys a shot of that. All right, so right there, our pizza is cooking. This is the first pizza that I have cooked inside of here, so I went with cheese. That way I can kind of keep an eye on everything, and I can see how well it is cooking without the toppings or anything being in my way. So far, looks like it's doing really well. All right, so while that's cooking up front, here is your little dial here on the back. It just turns like that. All the way to 900 degrees is the max right there, and then off is up top. All right, here is your cord on it. It is a very thick cord because this thing's pushing like 1800 watts. I would not use this with an extension cord. The cord here is about 5 feet long. However, I know some of you guys won't listen to that, and you might try and use an extension cord. Please, 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 if you do, get one that is rated for this. They're not cheap, but if you do use an extension cord, I'm telling you not to, but I know you guys like to do whatever you want to do. Use one that is rated for something like this. All right, so we're back up front. Pizza is still cooking. It's been a few minutes now. Crust hasn't changed any color yet, and the toppings, they're boiling now. Maybe once they start to brown up or that crust starts to change any color, we'll go ahead and pop her out. And it's starting to brown up, so let's pull this out. This thing is nice and snug at 12 inches. There we go. Woohoo! Nice. All right, there we go. Look at that. Looks amazing. Crust is nice and hot. Inside in there is on fire right now. We probably shouldn't have lifted that up that high because now it got up top. Now it's burning. But the good thing is all that will burn off. They say no inside cleaning is necessary. But yeah, whenever you are removing it, ensure you don't lift it too high and touch those burners up top. But the pizza itself looks really good. We'll go ahead and cut into it. I will grab my pizza cutter here real quick. There we go. Let's take a look at the bottom of this. Oh yeah, look at that. Nicely done. Newair. Now again, inside, all that stuff has already cooked off that we accidentally got up there. And then the stone in there, if it starts to accumulate stuff, you will just flip it, obviously whenever this is not hot, and then it'll just cook it off from the underneath as well. All right, so obviously this does also come with your operating instructions right there. Overall, I think it's a really cool pizza oven. I've always wanted one of these. I did buy this with my own money, not sponsored, anything like that from Newair or anybody else. If you guys are interested in checking this out, go ahead, look down there in the description. I'll also have it down there in the comments. There will be a link that you can purchase this. If you enjoyed the content, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, share it with somebody that you think would like to have one of these cool pizza ovens right here. And we will see you next time here on Reviews and How-Tos. I got 2 more pizzas to cook for the kiddos. Y'all have a good one.